Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you an interesting tool. It's called AnswerThePublic.com. Here you can find various things that people are searching for across the web, whether it is Google, Bing, YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, Instagram. So in this way, if you're a content creator or if you want to optimize your website for SEO, then you can do all those things using this website. So let's look at how things are. So now if I come to Google and if I want to search about the topic of scholarships, okay, so I have not logged in here. You can log in here using your Google account. Now here I have already logged in. You'll get 3 out of 3 searches are available for today for me. So I'll search about scholarships. So now if I search for scholarships, I can select the country here. In India, what are people searching about? Scholarship in Google. So if I click on search, I get a wealth of insights. So here you can see the questions people are asking for, prepositions, comparisons, alphabetical responses. So now you see the breakup. So you see the how scholarship to help students. Cost per click is this. Search volume is around 2.24 million. Who gives scholarship? Who funds scholarship? It has broken down the questions into different sections. If it is like will questions, will scholarships be affected by Trump? All those questions people are asking. Then if you look at the comparison, the average searches by preposition, with, for, all those things have been mentioned here. Now this is how they have put it alphabetically, each question related to the main keyword. Now if I look at YouTube, say for example I am making a video on Answer the Public. So let's see what people are searching in YouTube. Answer the Public. Okay, Answer the Public in YouTube. So let me see what people are searching for. Based on that, I will choose the title of my video. Okay, so there is not much information about Answer the Public in YouTube, looks like. So it's not in demand. So I'll search again, Answer the Public. Okay, so I have run out of searches for the day. So if you want, you can upgrade and get more search results. So similarly, it is done for TikTok, Amazon, Instagram. So in Amazon, if you are a seller, then you need to know about what people are searching for, so that you can optimize the description, product description of your product, and do some kind of SEO so that your product comes up in the top. The same applies for Instagram. If you're an Instagram content creator, if you want to market your product, whether you want to promote your content or you are doing brand management for some other brands, then you need to tweak the content so that it stays relevant and it comes in top of their feed of people. So for all those things, this tool becomes very useful. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.